how might we merchandise our retail effectively? Like we said, we kind of got the restaurant thing figured out. What type of retailers do we want to put there? We're going to use our segment sorter to answer that question. So here are top 3 segments, and this is the segment sorter. So what the segment sorter does is it takes a lot of the information that we showed you in the taxonomy, but there are thousands of brands that we could show. It's really tough to fit that all into one user interface. And so now you can sort based on each segment, their relationship with each of those brands across an index. And you can also do this for social following as well. So if we wanted to focus on tech titans and restaurants, we would just go to the Visitation restaurant section of this and then sort the restaurants by tech titans, and you can see their top restaurant visitation nationally. So 4 times as likely to show up at Jamba Juice, Hawaiian Barbecue, C's Candies. And if we want to do this for social media following, we can do that as well. And we see these people are following Ferrari, Airbnb, IBM, and Tesla. So they're following those social accounts on Twitter or Instagram. So based on that, what I did is it just pulled a index report for each of these out of the segment sorter. And we can see the top retail brands for each of these segments. See some commonalities here, but yeah, interested, Evelina, you know this location. Anything stand out to you for the top retailers for this location?
I think this is a testament to Westfield and their success in being able to reach out and pick the right brands to bring into the mall. There's a Kate Spade there's a Nordstrom there, and that's seeing those brands here as well as reflected in the mall, I think showcases that. What is also really interesting here is that Westfield wasn't just focused on, or it seems like Westfield wasn't just focused on the area surrounding it, so the immediate area surrounding it, but they were also looking at the community at large. And that is, I think, the reflective of Asian enclaves coming in as one of the top segments here, with the more middle income range that is associated with it. And so they have brands that are more like localized that they're appealing to, as well as that are not designer. But you can also see that they do have a affinity to higher end brands. So the mall, I think, serves both of those aspects of these segments very well. So really cool to see, got that gut feeling checked with some data.
I like seeing too here that there's a similar pattern across these. I mean, the gap is really high for all of them, independent of income. So yeah, interesting that you see the unique ones that pop up and the ones that are common.